Hello, welcome to Small Town Ride Around. Robbie McAlpine here along with Kevin Faust.
Hello, everyone.
We're heading to the Mecum Auto Auction in Las Vegas, and we're going to be looking at a bunch of classic motorcycles that neither one of us can afford, but doing some media for those guys over at Mecum. We're really excited about it, so stay tuned. We'll be right back after this.
Josh, jump over there and help him, bro.
It's not me. I thought that. All right, let's go. This year's Mecum Auto Auction was held January 29th through February 1st, 2025 in Las Vegas, and it was the biggest ever. It's the world's largest vintage antique motorcycle auction, and it broke a lot of records this year. It was really amazing to be there. An honor to be able to cover that. Mecum Las Vegas achieves $22.7 million in overall sales to become the highest grossing motorcycle auction ever in recorded history, and it was an absolute amazing show. The pictures we're showing you here does not do its justice at all. It was so many bikes, over 2,000 bikes. Some of those that sold, the hot topic of the entire sale was the 1915 Cyclone V-Twin, sold for $1.32 million. It's unbelievable. A 1938 Crocker Twin sold for $880,000. I'll try to put some of these up on the screen for you. 1913 Henderson 4 sold for $352,000. I mean, it was insane. There was a 1928 Indian Ace that sold for $192,000. A 1915 Williams Claddy sold for $170,000. But, a lot of the bikes like I'm showing here, everything was still affordable. It wasn't a situation that, the everyday person couldn't come in and bid and compete. So the people did a wonderful job hosting. The food was good. The company was good. Everything was absolutely first class, just like you would expect from anything at Mecum. We're gonna all these bikes just made me want to ride, so we're gonna take a ride here in a few minutes. But I wanted to let you know to access the complete auction results, and you need to do that if you're a collector or if you're just into bikes at all. Sign up for the free Mecum account at mecum.com. That's MECUM.com. The next Mecum Auto Auction is in Glendale, Arizona, at the State Farm Stadium in Glendale. It's slated for March 18th to the 22nd. It'll feature approximately 2,000 classic and collector cars to go across the auction block. So be sure to set up your free account at Mecum.com. And again, thanks for having us out, and we look forward to seeing you in Glendale. Talk to you soon. Hey, let's go for a ride. It's time to ride, man. I gotta ride, baby. Gotta ride.
Collection, a 67 Harley Davidson FLH electric light, no reserve. No reserve.
Hang on, man. Hang on.
At least they got it on camera, right?
Oh yeah, you do! Fuck yeah!
The embarrassment. Captured on camera. Ah, you done it?
Little scratch really good.
Yeah, good stuff.
Buy this one before, right?
Huh?
Buy this one.
That's why you get the rental insurance.
Oh, it's a rental?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.